exercise 1.3, question number 5 and question number 6. The first 4 questions are already discussed. The link of these questions are there in description box. You can go and check there. So let's start. What question number 5 says, what can the maximum number of digits be in the repeating block of digits in decimal expansion of 1 upon 17? We have to perform the division to check our answer. हमें simply ये फ्रैक्शन को डिवाइड करना है एंड कितने कैलकुलेशन के बाद डिजिट्स रिपीट होना स्टार्ट होंगे दैट वी हैव टू राइट द मैक्सिमम नंबर. सो इट्स अ लिटिल लेंथी क्वेश्चन. लेट्स ट्राई सॉल्विंग इट. 1. We have to take a point here, a 0. Still 10 is smaller than 17, तो हमें एक और 0 चाहिए. So extra 0 के लिए हम आंसर में भी 0 लिखेंगे. Now 17 5s are 85. We get the remainder 15. Again we have to take a 0 and 17 8s are 136. We get the remainder 14. Again we'll put a 0 and again 17 8s are 136. We'll get 4 as a remainder. We'll again take a 0. 17 2s are 34. We get the remainder 6. Again we'll take a 0 and 17 3s are 51. The remainder comes to be 9. We'll again take a 0. 17 5s are 85. Remainder comes 1 5. We'll carry on here. We'll take again a 0 and we'll write here 17 2s are 34. We'll get 16 as a remainder, again a 0 and 17 9s are, which is equals to 153. We get the remainder 7 from here. Again we'll take a 0. Then 17 4s are, that is equals to 68. We'll get 2 as a remainder. Again a 0. 17 1s are 17. We'll get the remainder 33 and we'll take one more 0. Then again 1. 17 1s are 17. We'll get the remainder 13 from here. We'll continue here 13. We'll take a 0 and write here 7 because 17 7s are 119. We'll get the remainder 11 from here. We'll again take a 0. Then 6 are 17 6 are 102. We'll get the remainder 8. We'll again take a 0. Then we'll write 17 4s are. That is equals to 68. We'll get the remainder 12. Again we'll take a 0. 17 7s are, that is 119. Finally our remainder repeats because हमने 1 से start किया था and finally हमारा remainder 1 आ गया. So we can put here a bar. So let's count maximum number of digits किसके बाद दोबारा repeat होंगे. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So 16 maximum number of digits. It will repeat. Now let's do the second question, that is 6. Look at several examples of rational numbers in the form P upon Q, where Q not equals to 0 and P and Q are integers with no common factors other than 1. अब तक हम रेशनल नंबर्स की जब डेफिनेशन डिस्कस करते हैं, we used to write that रेशनल नंबर्स को हम P upon Q की फॉर्म में लिखते हैं. जहां पे हमारा रिमाइंडर मीन्स q इक्वल्स नॉट इक्वल्स टू 0 होता है एंड p एंड q बोथ आर इंटीजर्स. In this question, one more condition is given that P and Q में कोई common factor नहीं होना चाहिए except 1. So, हमें इस तरह के examples find out करने हैं and there is one more condition. Rational numbers के दो तरह के decimal expansions we have studied. First is terminating and second is non-terminating repeating. इस question में हमें ऐसे example search करना है जिनका expansion सिर्फ terminating decimal expansion हो. So, after finding the example, we have to guess the property which Q must satisfy. So हम बिल्कुल basic से start करते हैं example लेना. We'll take the first example. Suppose 1 upon 2. First condition P upon Q की form में Q not equals to 0, P and Q are integers. 1 and 2 का कोई और factor है 1 के अलावा common? No. अब इसका डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन चेक कर लेते हैं. जब हम इसे डिवाइड करेंगे we'll get the answer 0.5. So definitely terminating decimal expansion है. So first example हमारा satisfy हो गया. Second example we'll take 2 upon 5. When we'll solve it, we'll get the answer 0.4. Again we can take an example. Suppose 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3 को जब हम डिवाइड करेंगे we'll get 0.333 and so on. ये टर्मिनेटिंग तो नहीं रहा ना, so it will not be included in this example. हम hit and trial method कर रहे हैं, जो भी हमारा सही हो जाएगा we'll try that. We can take another like 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 को जब हम करेंगे we'll get 0.25. So terminating आ रहा है. We can take one more example like 5 upon 2. We'll get the answer 2.5. Or we can take an example of 3 upon 25. Whatever, it is 0.12. What we concluded is that जब हमने अपना denominator 2 लिया तब भी हमारा terminating हुआ. When we take it as 5 तब भी terminate हुआ. जब हमने 4 लिया means 2 का एक square, then again it is fulfilling all the conditions. If we take square of 5 तब भी हमारा आंसर terminating आया. So what we have concluded is Q क्या property satisfy कर रहा है? The prime factorization of Q. जब हम प्राइम फैक्टर्स कर रहे हैं Q के, it has only powers of 2 और या तो वो 2 की पावर है या it is powers of 5 और both. Both कैसे? If we'll take the example of 3 upon 10. 10 किससे बना है मिलके? 2 into 5 means 2 की पावर है और 5 की पावर है. और जब हम इसे सॉल्व करेंगे हमें टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन मिलेगा. So that's why Q satisfy the property कि डिनोमिनेटर अगर 2 है या 2 का कोई पावर है या 5 है या दोनों, so we'll always get a rational number. तो अगर आपको कोई रेशनल नंबर क्लासिफाई करना है और उसकी पावर 2 है, 5 की है या फिर उन दोनों की है, so you can quickly answer that it is a rational number. I hope these questions are clear to you. If you have any doubt in any question, you can comment in comment section.